you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be shopping in Walgreens and we have some good deals that we're going to walk through today. So let's get started. So we're going to start out on the paper product aisle and we are looking for Scott tissue and paper towel. Now they have a ton of paper product deals this week and they have digital coupons for a lot of these deals, but we're looking for the Scott tissue. 12 rolls, this priced at $5. There is a $1 off of one coupon as well as a store coupon of $1.25 off of one. I looked down and saw this Angel Soft as well, but I'm going to stick to the Scott. So the Scott paper towel, so for one tissue, I would get one for $2.75 using that one coupon, and then I will get each additional one for $3.75. So I'm going to get 3 of the Scott tissues, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this Angel Soft while I'm looking because it's priced at $4.29. There's a 50 cent off digital coupon, and then we're going to move on to the Scott paper towel. So the paper towel is priced the same way as the tissue, $5. We're going to use that same coupon of $1.25 off of each one, and we're going to get just one of those, and then we're going to move on to our next deal. Okay, so for my next item, I am looking for Stay Free feminine products. They're on sale for this week. Buy one, get one 50% off. And there is a $3 digital coupon. And there is a $3 register reward. So I'm going to get 2. One is going to be $1.99. The second one is going to be $4.99, and then I'm going to use that coupon. And while looking, they have a ton of feminine products on sale this week, and I'm sure they have digital coupons for those as well. I want to check that out later. I also came across this Shea Moisture, and I realized there was a $3 off one coupon. And I'm looking at this, and there is a $5 register reward, and as well as a buy one get one 50% off. So this is definitely I'm going to be looking at. I also realized there is a $6 off for 2 Shea Moisture coupons, so I'm going to look at that a little later. But these are the items that I decided to get: 3 Scott tissue, 1 paper towel, 1 Angel Soft, and 2 Stay Free products. And these are the coupons that I combined and used: $1.25 off of 1 Walgreens coupon, the $1 off of 1 Scott, the $3 off of 2 for Stay Free, the 50 cent off of 1. And I'm also going to stack that with it. When you spend $22, you get $6 back in register reward. Here is my breakdown. I use a $5 off of $5 or more coupon from last week, as well as I use $5 in reward points plus my coupon. My out of pocket came to $22.91. Before tax or anything, my subtotal was $42.41, but after all coupons and taxes, I paid $22.91. Now I'm going to take my receipt and scan it into Fetch Rewards. If you are not a member of Fetch Rewards, I'm going to show you my code above that you can sign up and use my code, and you will get 2,000 points, which is also like getting $2 in points. So Fetch Rewards has this deal going on when you spend $50, you can get 15,000 points, which is also like $15 on any of the Kimberly-Clark products. And because I got so much of the Scott products, I'm going to scan my receipt, and then I'll probably do this deal at least once or twice more using those same coupons so that I get that $15 back in points. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe and come back for more videos and savings.